Good morning student. In last lecture we are studied IUPAC rules for IUPAC nomenclature of coordination compound. In this lecture we are going to study some examples of coordination compounds. First example here, ligands which are, what is the IUPAC nomenclature of different anionic ligand and neutral ligand? Here bromide, it is IUPAC nomenclature of bromide is bromo. Similarly chloro, iodo, fluoro, cyano. Then nitro, if ligand is attached to central metal ion by nitrogen, then it is called as nitro. If it is attached to central metal ion by oxygen, then it is called as nitrito. Then sulfate ligand is called as sulfato. Oxalate, it is called as oxalato. Similarly carbonato, nitrato. Then thiocyanato, isothiocyanato, hydraxo. And there are 4 neutral ligands that are amine, aqua, ethylene diamine and carbonyl. By using these names of ligands, we can nomenclate the coordination compound. First example here, I have already written this example. In this example, nickel is central metal ion and 4 cyanide ligand is attached to central metal ion. What is the IUPAC nomenclature of cyanide ligand is cyano, and there are 4 cyano ligands are attached to nickel. Therefore for 4 cyano ligand we have write tetracyano. What is the first of all, first example of the coordination compound is anionic complex, and we know that in an anionic complex, after the name of central metal ion, suffix ATE is used. Therefore its name is, first letter is capital letter tetra. For what? This is tetra for 4 cyano ligand, that is tetra. If it is 3 cyano ligand, then it is called as tricyano. If it is 2 cyanide ligand, then it is called as dicyano. Here 4 cyanide ligands are attached to central metal ion, therefore tetracyano. Tetracyano, nickel, but tetracyano, nickel, but this complex is anionic ligand. Therefore after the name of nickel, which suffix is used? ATE. Therefore what is the name? Tetracyano nickelate. Then after the name of the central metal ion, what is oxidation state of central metal ion is write in Roman number in parenthesis without any space. Then what is the oxidation state of nickel? How will you calculate oxidation state of nickel? We know that at cyanide ligand 1 minus charge is present, therefore nickel, suppose oxidation state of nickel is X plus, there are 4 cyanide ligand, therefore charge on 4 cyanide ligand is minus 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to what? What is the charge on complex? Minus 2. Then what is the value of X? X minus 4 is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 plus 4. X is equal to plus 2. What is the oxidation state of nickel? Plus 2, which is right in parenthesis in Roman number. Therefore tetracyano nickelate second, it is ion because coordination pair having negative charge, therefore we can write here ion. Name of coordination compound is single word without any space. Then second example. In second example, cobalt is the central metal ion and 3C2O4 means oxalato. Oxalate ligand is attached to central metal ion cobalt. What is the charge on one oxalate ion? Charge on one oxalate ion is -2. Therefore, central metal ion is attached to 3 oxalate ion. That means its coordination number is 6 because oxalate ion is bidentate ligand. Here also at coordination pair there is a negative charge, therefore it is also anionic complex. Then name. Here 3 oxalate ion, therefore which prefix is used? For 4-cyano group here we use tetra, therefore for 3 oxalate ligand we use trioxalato. Trioxalato. Then central metal ion cobalt. It is anionic complex, therefore which suffix is used after the name of metal? ATE. Then what is name? Trioxalato cobaltate. Then oxidation state of cobalt in parenthesis. First we have to calculate oxidation state of cobalt. Suppose oxidation state of cobalt is X plus what is the charge on one oxalate ion? -2. Therefore charge on 3 oxalate ion is 3 multiplied by -2 is equal to charge on coordination pair is equal to -3. X minus 6 is equal to -3. X is equal to -3 plus 6. X is equal to +3. What is the oxidation state of cobalt? +3, which is right in after the name of the central metal ion without any space in parenthesis in Roman number 3. It is also ion because on coordination pair there is a negative charge, therefore ion. This is the name of this complex. What is name? Trioxalato cobaltate third ion. The next example, it is also which type of complex? Because of coordination pair having negative charge, therefore it is also anionic complex. Here central metal ion is iron and central metal ion is attached to 6 cyano ligands. Therefore for 6 cyano ligand which prefix is used? Hexacyano. The name of this complex is hexacyano. Here it is anionic complex, therefore iron, name of central metal ion is not iron, it is ferrate. Hexacyanoferrate. Why ferrate? Because it is anionic complex, and for anionic complex some name of metals are in Latin word. Hexacyanoferrate. Then after the name of the central metal ion, oxidation state of that central metal ion is right in parenthesis in Roman number. First we have to calculate oxidation state of iron. Suppose iron has X oxidation state, X plus. Here 6 cyano ligands are attached to central metal ion, therefore one cyanide ligand having -1 charge, therefore -1 multiplied by 6 is equal to what? What is the charge on coordination pair is equal to -4. Therefore X minus 6 is equal to -4. X is equal to -4 plus 6. X is equal to +2. Therefore ferrate in Roman number, its oxidation state in parenthesis, and it is also ion, therefore iron. Then fourth example, by observing fourth example, it indicates that positive charge is present on coordination pair, therefore it is cationic complex. There are three types of complex. If coordination pair having negative charge, then it is called as anionic complex. If coordination pair having positive charge, then it is called as cationic complex. If coordination pair having no any charge, that is neutral complex. Here coordination pair having +2 charge, therefore it is cationic complex. Central metal ion is copper, and 4 amine ligands are attached to copper. For 4 ligands, for same 4 ligands, we use which prefix? Tetra. Therefore tetraamine. It must be noted that in the spelling of amine there is double M, and in the spelling of ethylene diamine there is only one M. Tetraamine copper, tetraamine copper. What is the oxidation state of copper? Suppose oxidation state of copper is X. There are 4 amine ligand which are a neutral ligand, therefore its oxidation state is 0, is equal to charge on coordination pair is equal to +2, therefore X is equal to +2, oxidation state of copper +2. It is also iron, therefore end of name by iron. Next, fifth example, it is also cationic complex because coordination pair having +2 charge. Here central metal ion is iron. Here 5 water ligands which are named as aqua are attached to iron, and 1 NCS, that means thiocyanato or isothiocyanato. If ligand is attached to central metal ion by sulfur atom, then it is called as thiocyanato. If it is attached to central metal ion by nitrogen, then it is called as isothiocyanato. Therefore in this example it is not thiocyanato, it is isothiocyanato. Then in the isothiocyanato and aqua, there are 2 types of ligand because this complex is heteroleptic complex. 2 different types of ligands are attached to central metal ion. One is aqua and another is isothiocyanato. Then while naming this coordination compound, for which ligand first preference goes? According to alphabetical order, first preference goes to aqua. Therefore, how many aqua are present in coordination compound? 5. For 5 types of same ligand, we use which prefix? Penta. Therefore, penta aqua. Then isothiocyanato. The name of the central metal ion? Here iron. Here similarly in third example, here we use ferrate because it is anionic ligand. But here, unlike third example, here we use iron because it is cationic complex. Penta aqua isothiocyanato iron. Then in parenthesis, oxidation state of iron in Roman number. First we have to calculate oxidation state of iron. Suppose it is X plus 5 aqua ligands are neutral, therefore its oxidation state is 0, plus isothiocyanato having -1 charge is equal to charge on coordination pair is +2. Then x minus 1 is equal to +2, x is equal to +2 plus 1, x is equal to +3. What is the oxidation state of iron? +3 in parenthesis, and it is also iron, therefore end of name by iron. What is the name? Penta aqua isothiocyanato iron, third iron. Next example. Here central metal ion is platinum. It is also cationic complex because coordination pair having positive charge. Here two types of ligands are attached to platinum metal. Therefore it is which type of complex? Heteroleptic complex. One is En. What is En stands for? En means ethylene diamine, which is bidentate ligand. It must be noted that En means ethylene diamine, it is bidentate ligand. And SCN, in above example, NCS. Nitrogen is attached to central metal ion, therefore it is called as isothiocyanato. If sulfur is attached to central metal ion, then it is called as thiocyanato. Then ethylene diamine and thiocyanato. Which ligand is preferred first? According to alphabetical order, E comes first, therefore first preference goes to ethylene diamine. But ethylene diamine, its name itself contain numerical prefix, that is di, therefore which prefix is used before ethylene diamine? That is bis for 2-ethylene diamine, tris for 3-ethylene diamine, and tetrakis for 4-ethylene diamine. Here 2-ethylene diamines are present, therefore which prefix is used? Bis. Bis, in parenthesis, name of the bidentate ligand, ethylene diamine. Bracket complete, bis, ethylene diamine. Then here also 2 thiocyanato ligands, therefore di-thiocyanato. Then name of the central metal ion, platinum. Then its oxidation state in parenthesis. What is the oxidation state of platinum? Ethylene diamine is a neutral ligand, therefore its oxidation state is 0, plus 1 thiocyanato having -1 charge, therefore 2 thiocyanato having -2 charge is equal to charge on coordination pair. X minus 2 is equal to +2 and x is equal to +2 plus 2 is equal to +4. What is the oxidation state of platinum? +4, which is right in Roman number, and it is also iron. This is the nomenclature of some anionic complex and some cationic complex. Then next example. Now next example. Here there are two types of ion. Here one is ionizable sodium and another is coordination pair, which is right in square bracket. Therefore, which is central metal ion? In square bracket, which metal is present? Cobalt. Therefore, it is central metal ion. And to cobalt, 6 nitro ligands are present. 6 nitro ligands are present. Therefore, for 6 nitro ligand, which prefix is used? Hexanitro. Hexanitro. First of all, we have to identify this complex is which type of complex, cationic complex or anionic complex. If it is anionic complex, then after the name of central metal ion, suffix ate is used. Hexanitro. Here we know that alkali metal sodium has +1 charge. Therefore, 3 sodium having, what is the total ionizable ions having charge? 1 sodium having +1. Therefore, 3 sodium having +3, and automatically coordination pair having -3 charge. And we know that if coordination pair having negative charge, then it is anionic complex. Therefore, after the name of metal, which suffix is used? Ate. Hexanitro, cobalt, it is anionic complex. Therefore, suffix ate is used. Hexanitro cobaltate. Then oxidation state of cobalt, we have to calculate 1 sodium +1 oxidation state. For 3 sodium, 1 multiplied by 3 plus oxidation state of cobalt is X plus 1 nitro ligand having -1 charge, 6 nitro ligand having -1 into 6 is equal to 0. 3 plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to +3. What is the oxidation state of cobalt? +3. Cobaltate 3. Then, by observing coordination compound, here no any charge is present on coordination pair. Then here minus ion cannot be right, but remaining in this complex is, what is remaining in this complex? Sodium, which is at the starting of the metal. Sodium hexanitro cobaltate third. It is not ion, therefore here I have not write ion. The next example, similar to above example, here 3 potassiums are present. Therefore, name of this coordination compound is starting with that metal, that is potassium. 1 potassium having +1 charge because it is alkali metal. Therefore, total charge due to 3 potassium is +3, and automatically coordination pair having -3 charge. Therefore, it is also anionic complex. What is the name? Potassium, then space, central metal ion is aluminium, which is attached to 3 oxalate ligand. Therefore, potassium trioxalato, it is anionic complex. Therefore, aluminate. Oxidation state of aluminium here, 1 multiplied by 3 for 3 potassium, aluminium suppose X, and 1 oxalate ion having -2 charge. Therefore, 3 oxalate ion having 3 into -2 is equal to 0. 3 plus x minus 6 is equal to 0, x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to plus 3. Oxidation state of aluminium is plus 3. It is not iron, therefore this is the name of this complex. Potassium trioxalato aluminate third. Then next example is, first of all, identify this complex is cationic complex or anionic complex. Here, this is coordination pair. And this iodine and bromines are ionizable ion. It is also called as counter ions. Central metal ion is platinum, which is attached to 2 bromo ligands and 4 amine ligand. Then bromo and amine. First preference goes to amine because alphabetically A comes first and then B, therefore amine. Here 4 amines, therefore tetraamine. It must be noted that in the spelling of amine there are 2 M's are present. Tetraamine for 2 bromo, dibromo. It is cationic complex or anionic complex. 2 bromide, one bromide ion having -1 charge, therefore 2 bromide having -2 charge, automatically coordination pair having +2 charge, therefore it is cationic complex. Dibromo platinum. Then oxidation state of platinum. Suppose it is X plus -1 multiplied by 2 for bromo. Amine ligands are neutral, plus -1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 0, x minus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to plus 4. What is the oxidation state of platinum? Plus 4. This is the nomenclature of this complex compound. Then next, similarly, it is also cationic complex because coordination pair having +3 charge, because 3 iodine having -3 charge. Central metal ion is cobalt. Here 5 amines and 1 aqua is present. First preference goes to which ligand? Amine and aqua. In both ligand, AA is similar letter, therefore next letter is M and next letter is Q, therefore first preference goes to amine because M comes first in alphabetically. Therefore for thioamine, pentaamine, aqua, for water, aqua, it is cationic complex, therefore cobalt. Oxidation state of cobalt, X for water, 0 for amine, 0 because neutral ligand. For iodine, -3 is equal to 0, x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to +3. Cobalt is 3. This is the nomenclature of this coordination compound, pentaamine aqua cobalt third. Then last, neutral ligand sum. For this complex, it is neutral ligand. There is no any charge on coordination pair, either positive or negative, because central metal ion is attached to neutral ligand, that is carbonyl. Here 4 carbonyl, then name of carbonyl tetracarbonyl nickel. Oxidation state of nickel 0 in parenthesis. This is the name of this complex, tetracarbonyl nickel 0. This is about IUPAC nomenclature of coordination compound. Then next point is effective atomic number rule. We will discuss in next lecture.